If your Xfinity router is blinking orange, it's likely due to a lack of internet connection, which is the primary reason for this issue. To resolve this, try restarting the router by unplugging it from the power source, waiting for a minute, and then plugging it back in. If the issue persists, it's possible that there's a service outage in your area. You can verify this by logging into the Xfinity website, clicking on the profile icon, navigating to the support section, and selecting Common Solutions, followed by Status Center. A red indicator at the top of the page suggests an ongoing outage, while a green color implies the problem lies elsewhere. In the latter case, inspect the power cables for any damage or looseness, and either secure or replace them as needed. Additionally, consider the possibility that your router is undergoing a firmware update, which can take anywhere from 15 minutes to an hour to complete. Waiting for at least an hour may allow the update to finish and the router to start functioning properly again.